Hello everybody, I'm making a little video here to show you how to use ScoutsTracker. ScoutsTracker is a website or an app that you use to, follow along with your kids' progress and cubs and figure out what's going on, cubs, scouts, beavers, that kind of thing. So you go in and this is the page you'll get to. There's a lot of stuff here. So I'm going to start off with the schedule. So the schedule will show you what's going on in the schedule, what's on the calendar. So on the 20th last week we had a movie, and on the 11th is the parents' night, and and on the 17th is our first meeting. If you click on it, it gives you more information about it. For instance, it's the first meeting of the year. Drop off is 7 to 7:10. And the location, WH Day, which is 410 Maple Grove. So that's sort of the calendar. There's a little button down here called subscribe. I can't get that to work. I've tried, and if you can find a way, it's supposed to make it so the ScoutsTracker calendar updates to your actual calendar on your phone. If you can figure that out, please tell me. I will. I would love that, and I'll post a video on how to do it if somebody can show me. So the next one up is the emails, which is under the pack links. So on the emails, you can see all the emails that we've ever sent you. So there's one about the outdoor movie. If you purchase this fetch emails, it'll get emails from the past, so you can, oh yeah, what was that they said back then, and you just have all the emails in one place. So the next thing is signups. These are the different I went a little fast there. So under personal links, you go my signups, and it's just the different camps you're signed up for, and you could sign up for those. So there's a fall camp, and it gives you a little information. We're going to put some information in there. We haven't really got a lot, but it's at Earl Rowe Provincial Park. So that's the sign-ups. Next thing up is the My Balance. My Balance is what you owe, so you can see at that weekly meeting I owe $1, and that one I owe another $1, another $1, another $1, another $1. I guess it really adds up, but there's some camps on here for $25 and another camp for $25. But in the new year, we're not doing dues, so those $1 charges you won't see. We're not doing dues for $1 every week. So that's the balance. I owe $70, so you know where you're at. Next one is this Canadian Path program, which is really neat. There's something called Outdoor Adventure Skills. They call it OAS, and that's all about the skills badges. That's like camping and swimming, paddling, winter, vertical skills. So you can help your kid get badges. So if you went swimming this summer, you could go to the aquatic skills and say aquatic skills level 1. If they can put on a PFD or like a life jacket, then you could give them that. If they can float for 5 seconds, you could click that. If they can blow bubbles in the water, then they get that. And they can and you could print this if you want to just print up the list. So then you go to if you're going swimming, you can just check it off and put it up on, you click it off on this site, and we'll know when they finish it. And then in a week or two, we might ask them a few questions, but they'll be awarded the badge, and that's really cool. And it has to go on a certain spot on the uniform. So you click on that part, show on uniform. Let's see, where would it go? Right there, those little flippers. That's where the Outdoor Adventure Skills ones go. So that's kind of handy, so you can know where they all go. This is where the different personal achievement badges go. So So there's also other skills you can work on, stuff that's not too hard. So you could start getting a bunch of badges fast is like emergency skills, like if they can put a band-aid, that's cut. I can treat minor cuts or scrapes, that kind of thing. I know my address and location in case of emergency, so they can get some badges really fast in the beginning if you help them along and just click off a few things. Like that's all there is to it. So then there are other kinds of badges. So those are OAS, very outdoor skills. Then there's the personal achievement badges. So there's like air, arts, building, Canada. These are a bit open to what you can do. So you click on them and they'll give you kind of an idea of what to do, and a lot of different stuff, a lot of reading here, but you can talk to us, at the end of meetings or the beginning of meetings to ask questions, and we'll help you the best we can. But, that's how you get those ones. Okay, so the last thing I want to go over is there's the highest achievement you can get in Cubs. And they have the same kind of thing, I think, called the North Star Award in Beavers, and it's called something else in Scouts, and I don't know. But anyway, in Cubs, it's called the C1 Award, and there's different achievements you have to do. You need 10 OAS badges to get it. You need 15 hours of community service, and there's a bunch of stuff you have to do a project. But this is really cool, and that's the highest achievement you can make as a Cub. It's a big deal. It's a big deal to get that one. So that's what I wanted to show you on ScoutsTracker. We have different notes here. Right now it just says have a great summer. But yeah, so that's how you use ScoutsTracker. So I hope that's been helpful.